Good morning, children. In today's class, we are going to study the chapter The Treasure Within. Now, every child is a potential achiever and is different from other children in her or his style of learning and area of interest. Read the interview that follows. It is based on a conversation between Bela Raja, editor of Sparsh, a newsletter from the Resource Center, the Valley School, Bangalore, and Mr. Hafiz Contractor, one of India's leading architects. Hafiz Contractor was an unhappy schoolboy. He loved doing things but detested mechanical learning. Mathematics gave him shivers. What his principal once said to him influenced him deeply. So, this chapter is about the conversation between Miss Bela Raja, who is an editor of a newsletter, Sparsh, and Mr. Hafiz Contractor, who is one of the India's leading architects. So, Hafiz Contractor was an unhappy schoolboy because he didn't like studying or learning things, and mathematics was his least liking subject. He didn't like mathematics at all. I used to have this terrible nightmare. Only now, over the last 4 to 5 years, it seems to have disappeared. So, Hafiz Contractor told her that he used to have a bad dreams, but now it's over, and it seems to have disappeared. What nightmare are you talking about, and why do you think it has disappeared now? So Bela Raja asked him that what nightmares is he talking about, and how come it has disappeared. I used to get continuous nightmares about appearing for a mathematics examination where I did not know anything. So he used to have a nightmares of appearing in a mathematics exam and where he knows nothing. Now the psyche must have gotten over it. I do not have to think about education and there's absolutely no time to get nightmares. So he said that now he's so busy that he has forgotten about education and he has no time to think about education, that these haunting dreams have now got over. So Hafiz Contractor told that his mind is now so much now busy that he has no time to think about education, and that's why he didn't get such nightmares anymore. Bela Raja, tell us something about your earliest memories in school. Hafiz Contractor, in the first and second year, I was a good student. After I reached the third standard, I simply lost interest and I never studied. So he said that Hafiz Contractor told Bela Raja that he was in the first and second year of school, he was a very good student, but after third year, he lost interest in his studies. I used to be interested in games, running around, playing jokes and pranks on others. I would copy in class during exam times. I would try to get hold of the examination paper that had been prepared and study it, as I could not remember things that had been taught to me in class. So he said he was mostly interested in games and all, and he was not interested in studies, and he used to get examination papers from beforehand, and he used to study that only and give the examination. However, later one sentence spoken to me by my principal changed my life. So he said that one sentence which his principal told him has completely changed his life. When I approached my 11th standard, the principal called me and said, "Look here, son, I have been seeing you from day one. You are a good student, but you never studied. I have taken care of you till today. Now I can no longer take care of you, so you do it yourself." So once his principal called him and told him that he had been seeing him since his childhood. Now he is in 11th standard. So he told him that you are a good student, that Hafiz Contractor was a good student, but now it's a high time he has to look after himself because he is grown up and his principal won't be able to take care of him. He talked to me for 5 minutes. You don't have your father. Your mother has worked so hard to bring you up and paid all your fees all these years. But you have only played games. Now you should rise to the occasion and study. So the principal told him that all these years he has been playing and he didn't have his father. His mother was working hard to pay his fees, to raise him, and what he was doing, he was just playing all his life. So he told him that you need to get serious towards your studies. I used to be a very good sportsman. I had been the senior champion for so many years, and And I also was a cricket captain. I used to play every game, but that year I did not step out onto the field. So Hafiz contractor told Bela Raja that he was a good sportsman. He used to play all the games, but after speaking to the principal, that whole year he didn't step out to the field. He was all focused towards his studies. I would go for prayers, and all I could do was eat and study. I normally used to copy and pass, but I realized that once I was in SSC, I could not do that. So normally he used to copy and pass, but this was his 12th boards exam, so he could not copy and pass. So it was a boards exam where he could not copy and pass, so he has to work hard so that he can pass. When I got second class 50% in my SSC, my principal said, son, consider yourself as having got a distinction. So he got 50% in his 12th exam. SSC is your 12th exams, and his principal told him that consider it as a distinction. Why? Because 60% was, 50% was also enough for him, as he was not at all, he has never ever studied in his life. So getting 50% was also like it was getting like a distinction for him. When I did lots of other things. See, as far as my things are concerned, I can't remember. I forget things very easily. To remember, I have to see things as a photograph. So he said I did lots of things, lots of other things, but he couldn't concentrate on one thing because he didn't remember things easily. He forget things very easily. So that's why he couldn't study also, because he tends to forget things very easily. He learns and he forget. So he has to remember things by seeing photograph. I read a book, I can remember the matter as a photograph, but not through my mind. That's how it works. So he told that when he reads a book, he doesn't remember anything. If he reads something, he remembers for a very short span and then he forgets. So he remembers things by seeing the photograph. So there's something that happens with most of the children. They don't tend to remember things by reading. They learn things by seeing the photograph. So it was the same case with Hafiz contractor. He used to not learn things by reading it. He used to learn things by seeing the photograph. That's how it works. So Bela Raja asked him, when you were in school and you were doing badly, did the teachers pull you up and how did you feel? So Bela Raja asked that when you were in school and you were doing very badly, so teachers used to punish you or not, and how do you feel when they used to punish you? So Hafiz contractor answered her, I never felt anything on being pulled up. I used to be so interested in playing, I would receive a caning every week. So he said that he didn't feel anything on getting punished, because he was more interested in playing games. So getting punished didn't bother him at all. When you knew that so Bela Raja asked him, next question was, when you knew that you had incurred the wrath of your teacher by not doing your homework or by behaving badly, when you knew you would get a caning, what was the state of your mind? So she asked him that how did he feel when he already knew that he's going to get the scolding of teacher, he's going to get punished. So by not doing his homework or by behaving badly in the class, so what was his state of mind in getting the punishment, in getting scolding from the teacher? So what his mind used to think at the time of getting punishment? So Hafiz contractor answered her, state of mind, just lift up the hand and they would can you. It would hurt badly and I would have to forget about it because I would want to go and play. So Hafiz contractor said that he didn't mind getting punished because he just used to give his hand, he used to lift up his hand, and they used to punish him, they used to beat him through the stick, but it didn't hurt him. It used to hurt him badly, but it didn't bother him because all he used to think was going out and play. Bela Raja, you never felt insecure or threatened? So Bela Raja asked him that he never felt insecure means he never felt bad, or he never felt that other children were doing so good and he was not performing well. So Hafiz contractor said, no, I was just interested in playing and nothing else. I was most interested in funny pranks. One day I did not want to study, so I created a distraction for one whole hour. We played Chor Police. So he said, no, I didn't feel bad or insecure or threatened because he was most interested in playing. And whenever he didn't feel like studying, what he used to do, he used to create the whole distraction in the class. And what they used to do for the one day, what he did, he didn't want to study and he created a whole distraction in the class, and for one whole 1 hour they were playing Chor Police. Every Saturday we were allowed to go into the town to see a movie. So what I would do, we have no lunch and collect money from 40-50 students and run and buy the tickets. On my way back I would eat to my heart's content. So he said that on every Saturday they were allowed to go to the town and see a movie, and he used to do what he used to do. He used to not eat his lunch and collect money from the other students, and he used to run and buy the tickets, and on his way back he used to eat over there only. I used to be the leader of a gang. We would have a gang fights and play strategies. These things used to interest me more than academics. So he said that he was a gang leader. He had a gang over there in school and he used to be a gang leader. And they used to have fights and plan strategies. And these things were more interesting for him rather than studies. So he was a more like a naughtiest boy. He was a naughty boy who was not interested in his studies and was more interested in playing games and fighting. Students used to book my textbooks for the following year because they were almost brand new. I probably opened them one day before exams. So the juniors of him used to book his books from the beforehand. Why? Because his books were almost brand new. He never opened his books during the whole session. He used to just open it before the exams, one day before the exams. Till here we are doing, students. Thank you and have a nice day.